Okay, I'm doing this video just to demonstrate. I keep getting asked about how loud some of my turbines are, these iSta breeze blades. I think that I'm outside of the wind noise right where I am. I'm going to turn off my little Chinese 700 because that's the noisiest turbine that I've got. So let's kill that one. And now they're only looking at like 10-mile-an-hour wind right now, so it's not crazy wild, but if it gets any more wind than that, you can't hear the blades over the wind anyway. Hopefully this picks up some of the noise. You can actually, I'm going to see if I can get close enough to the turbine to where you can hear it. You can hear the generator humming. I'm trying to shield from the wind noise as much as I can. You can hear the hum of the generator over the blades. Now, if these things, if they're freewheeling, they can make quite a bit of noise. That one up there, the i-1500 is probably looking at 15 or 20 mile an hour occasionally up at that height. The i-1500 is kind of a bad example because I've clipped the tips of the blades and it gets going a lot faster. I'm going to unload the washing machine motor. So that's about as fast as that thing ever really gets. But anytime that it's moving that fast, you can't hear it over the wind anyway. So if they start overspinning, they can make a lot of noise. But it takes quite a bit for that to happen. Yeah, I gave it that little bump. That's kind of like push starting it. You unplug it and it'll spool way up there. It took a little while for it to catch up. Or maybe it just got a little bit windier. But again, just an idea. Just because I've been asked about how noisy they are. I've actually had a couple of people tell me that theirs were pretty noisy, and I think that if that's the case, it's probably overspinning. These things, they have to get going really, really fast to make a lot of obnoxious noise. And now I guess I can say that I am comparing it to the Chinese turbines that I've had. Those things, they are loud, very, very loud. With a few exceptions. That one over there has still been super, super quiet. But even now, coming back out, most of the swish noise that we can hear now is coming off of the Chinese turbine. The iSta breeze blades are very smooth. They run great. I really think that if you are looking at building your own project and you're wanting some easy blades to make work with it, take a look at these things. They're inexpensive. They're very consistently made. All the ones that I've had come in have weighed almost exactly the same. The 3 that are on this one, I didn't have to do anything except for make sure that they were spaced equally, and it runs pretty good. It's got a little bit of a wobble there, but you know, it's also a washing machine motor bolted to a turbine body. Oh, that's that. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys.